Que le Seigneur soit avec vous. Que le Seigneur soit dans vos maisons. Que le Seigneur soit dans vos cœurs. Que le Seigneur soit dans vos mariages.
J'ai eu encore un songe, et voici le soleil, la lune et 11 étoiles se prosternaient devant moi.
Dieu m'a dit je serai élevé, il me l'a montré, c'est clair et c'est net. Mais le diable veut le contraire, il a décidé de me faire échouer, mais il a menti, oh. Menti, oh. Il a menti, oh. Menti, oh. Yahweh a parlé, il le fera. Jésus-Christ a parlé, j'aurai la victoire. La victoire, j'aurai la victoire. La victoire.
Pour éviter que l'homme soit soumis. mariage soit célébré. Que le mariage soit célébré.
Nous sommes toutes mariées. Les marraines, les mariés. Aujourd'hui, c'est notre jour. Dis à mamie. Les autres chrétiens, nous sommes là. Mamie. Pour ambiancer la magie. Voilà maman Pasteur qui arrive là. Voilà. Elle est toute mignonne. Elle est fille d'honneur. Ouais.
Comment l'aimer, je voulais tant lui donner.
C'est le mariage, hein, c'est comme un commencement. Et vraiment, cette journée agréable, et on remercie le Seigneur. Parce que c'est une institution de Dieu, le mariage. Amen. C'est un jour vraiment, il faut se réjouir. Et je me réjouis très bien. Je n'ai pas encore vu ma femme, mais je me réjouis.
Tu as un joli mot pour ta femme?
Ah oui, je l'aime très bien. Et la preuve en est que voilà les faits.
Amen.
C'est les réalités. À des occasions comme ça, vraiment, on remercie le Seigneur.
Amen. Merci beaucoup.
Tout mon oxygène, dans son cœur est né le soleil, et dans ses yeux je vois le ciel. Mais comment l'aimer, je voudrais tant lui donner. Comment l'aimer, la chérir, la protéger. Comment l'aimer, je voulais tant lui donner. Comment l'aimer. L'amour pervers, moi me sentir comme moi au ciel, ma passion coulait là dans le ciel. L'homme plus fort, plus douce, plus belle, mais où mon bras au moins sensuel, c'est à mon temps moi c'est en rêve. Oh oh, l'amour plus fort. Protéger, comment j'ai trouvé le salut. Reçois, oh Dieu, l'adoration d'un cœur que tu as sauvé. Je veux t'adorer. Oh, je veux t'adorer. Je veux t'adorer. Oh, je veux t'adorer, Père.
Mom, Dad, I love you. It's a good wedding. Keep it up. Mom, you look nice. Dad, you look nice.
Père, nous t'adorons. Père, nous t'adorons.
I'm delighted to welcome you all to Hackney Town Hall to celebrate the marriage of Louis and Blondine. It means a great deal to both of them that you can be here today to share in their happiness and witness their marriage vows as they begin the next chapter in their continuing lives together. It's my pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. Louis and Blondine have found in each other love and happiness, and they now wish to affirm their relationship in front of all of you here today. The civil ceremony is a simple one. It's the exchange of two sets of declarations repeated after me. In the first, you state you're free to marry, and in the second, you will take each other as husband and wife. However, my first duty is to ask if any person here present knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, and if they do, he or she should declare it now. Very good. And what was great is at least in their silence then. So could I ask you both please to stand? Thank you. I'd like to begin your ceremony by explaining that this place in which we are all met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages. And before you are joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding nature of the vows you are about to make. Please turn your phone off, thank you. I'd like to begin your ceremony by explaining that this place in which we are now all met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages. And before you are joined in matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows you are about to make. Marriage according to the laws of this country is the union of one person with another, voluntarily entered into for life and to the exclusion of all others. Do you both understand and accept that statement?
Yes.
So could you please both say your full names so everybody in the room can hear?
Mr. Mahi, Louis.
Okay, so Louis and
Her name is Blondine Tuwala.
thank you. I'm now going to ask each of you in turn to declare that you do not know of any legal impediment to your marriage, and you do this by repeating some words after me. You're both ready to make these declarations. Repeat after me. I do solemnly declare
I do solemnly declare
that I know not
that I know not
of any lawful impediment
of any lawful impairment
why I, Louis Mahi,
why I
may not be joined
may not be joined
in matrimony
in matrimony
to Blondine Twain.
to Blondine Twain.
I do solemnly declare
Declare
that I know not of any lawful impediment, any lawful impediment, why I, Blondine Twain, may not be joined in matrimony to Louis. We're now coming to the second part of the ceremony, where they will take each other as husband and wife and exchange their wedding rings. So could I ask everybody to stand, We're just waiting for the ring, so... A wedding ring is, of course, the traditional way of sealing the marriage contract that Louis and Blondine are making here this afternoon. It's an unbroken circle, and the idea of that is that it symbolises an ending love, and it will, of course, become the outward sign of your marriage from this day on. Louis, do you take Blondine to be your lawful wedded wife?
Yes.
Yes, brilliant. Thank you. Let's take the ring off his arm. Please repeat this word after me. Blondine, I give you this ring.
Blondine, I give you this ring
as a symbol of our marriage.
as a symbol of our marriage.
I promise to give you my friendship and love.
I promise to give you my friendship and love.
And to always be there when you need me.
And to always be there when you need me.
These promises
I
make to you
for
the rest of my life.
For the rest of my life.
I call upon
these
persons here present
this person here present
to witness that I, Louis,
do
take thee, Blondine,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
To be my lawful wedding wife.
Well done.
Soulève un peu la tête, s'il te plaît. Un petit geste semblant, non. Voilà, tu as déjà signé, mais tu fais semblant de nous regarder un peu. Voilà. Souris. Souris, voilà, tu es mignon. Voilà, c'est comme ça. Voilà. C'est ça, c'est bon.
Tout à fait, ça rentre dedans. Tout ce que tu dis, ça rentre dedans.
Non, non, c'est comme si je signe et puis tu me regardes.
Sorry.
Merci.
Ladies and gentlemen, could I have the two witnesses to come forward to sign the register, please?
Same signature. Lightly and drag it over. Yeah, right against the top. That's it. And hold the pen for
and gentlemen, the end of the formalities of today. Oh, we've come to the end of today's formalities. My last duty is to pass over this piece of paper, which is of course the formal proof that together these two married each other in front of all of you here today. I'm sure you don't need me to tell you to have a fantastic party this evening. I think they're in very good hands, a very fine voice. I think it's going to be quite a noisy party, isn't it? My last duty, yes. So, this is their marriage certificate, one hand each. Oh, she's keeping that. Guys, we have another wedding in a few minutes. You need to listen to me, okay? This is the end of their wedding. They're going to walk down to the town hall steps. We're going to give them a massive clap. They're going to go, you're going to follow them out. I need you to do that for me quite quickly because we have another wedding party in the building, okay? So if you guys can go and they will come in. The last thing I need to do to say is congratulations. Another big round of applause.
monde dans la photo, s'il vous plaît. Tout le monde dans la photo. Tout le monde dans la